Hi, my name is John. Did they cook pigs in the smokehouse?
Wow, that's a really interesting question. Really not so much cooking the pigs. What they'll do is take the hams and they need to salt them for about 6 weeks. And what that's going to do is draw the moisture out of that ham. Now, from there, they're hung in the smokehouse, and fires are built in the smokehouse to create smoke. And those hams will be in there for upwards of 2 years. Now, to keep some critters like insects and vermin away from them, they're hung, but they're also packed or surrounded by black pepper, and that'll keep the insects and the vermin away from those hams. Now, as far as actually cooking, you're not creating enough heat in that smokehouse to actually cook the hams, but you're curing them. And then when it comes time to be able to prepare to serve those hams, they'll be soaked and then boiled or baked.